guys, just a quick candle spell. I'm showing you what I'm doing for myself for money. Taking this green candle, and I've inscribed money in there, in the amount. On the other side I've put my initials and my date of birth, and I'm going to anoint it with some money drawing oil which I made. I've got a video on money drawing powder which I've just put in some olive oil, in some oil. Just anoint the candle, and as I anoint the candle I just think of this money coming to me for the good of all, and in no way out of greed, just what I need. It's just a small amount, well, not that small, £250, and one way or another this money will come to me. I am owed money, so who knows. I'm going to light it by the spirits of the earth and my goddess. I'm just going to place it in a candle holder in front of my money altar, as you can see. Sorry, got interrupted, but yeah, there's my candle. And that's the amount. We'll see what happens. We'll see how quickly this candle burns. Hi guys, just thought I'd show you this. My candle I did for my chain of healing for spirits of the earth and Mother Nature. I went down about, I don't know, a couple of hours ago, so, and there was still quite a lot of wax and the flame wasn't so big, and I've come back up and, well, it's burnt a hell of a lot. The flame is huge and the liquid is clear. You can't see it very well on the camera, but it's clear. But it's not the only one. My Morrigan candle, exactly the same things happened, and the little vial of wine I had was full, and there is actually some missing. So there's no one up here, and apart from me now, no one else has been up here. We're all downstairs, and the liquid in that is clear as well. So yeah, the spirits are happy and the goddesses are on my side. Blessed be.